Yeah, Buddy Beaver. We're out doing something a little different tonight. We're out. I'm gonna try to get us some night crawls. Do some fishing. I'm a cheapskate. I don't like to buy worms. They cost way too much. There we go. Oh, I lost him. Oh, there's one. Got the first one of the night right there. There's another one. Where's he going? Oh, I missed that one too. Oh, there's another one right there. Number 2. Alright, let's head up on the golf course, up on the green. See what we can find up here. Go this way. Yeah, wow, this is really wet. It's been raining here all day, pouring. It's actually still raining a little bit right now, but not too bad. Some baby ones. I'll take those too, though. Wow, Jeff, come up here, bud. Holy, Des, come over here, bud. Just look at them. They're everywhere up here. Look at them all. Yeah, this is crazy. Oh, that one almost got away. Yes, where are you? Come up here, bud. No, oh, that one broke. Like me, broke. God, yeah, come on, come on. Yeah, to buy these, it's like, they're like $5 a dozen to buy them. You can come up here after a good rain. That one broke. After a good rain, and you can get, you know, depending on how long you want to stay, you can get as many as you want to pull out of the ground. Come on. Come on. Got ya. I'm gonna turn the camera down. Maybe that will help. Hopefully you guys can see. I don't really know. That one got away. Come on. You getting any, bud? Des, you? You get 2? You gotta walk slow, remember. There's all kinds of them out here. Oh, that one got away. Come on, got ya. starting to pick up in the rain. Get him, bud. Get him. Missed him. Missed him. Got a 5-gallon bucket full of dirt at home waiting for these fellas when we get them back to the house. Come on. Yeah. He might have broke, I'm not sure. How you doing, Des? You getting them? Yep, they're out in forces tonight. Yeah, so it's been raining all day here. Literally pouring most of the day. Let's go this way a little bit. Sometimes they're kind of sensitive to the light. If the light hits them really bright, they'll take off in a hurry too. There we go, there's a few. Now there's some more up here. Yeah, the light hits them and they kind of take off. Hold on. Oh, I missed him. Oh, got that one though. You getting any, bud? No, I got a lot. 5? Huh? Gloves? You wouldn't be able to get them if you had gloves. You gotta go up real slow to them. See them all? I don't know if the camera's picking any of this up. I hope so. Kind of a lost art. You don't see people do this kind of stuff anymore either. You know, we'll spend, half an hour to an hour up here, and we'll be able to fish quite a lot of the summer on what we get up here tonight. Yeah, and all it cost was, the 15 minutes that it took to get up here, and however long we stay to do it. It's pretty cheap. Oh, I missed you. I got that one though. You almost got away, buddy. Yeah, they're real sensitive to the light. They don't like the light. This is why they call it night crawling. There's a big old fat one. Another one there. Oh, that one broke, damn it. Missed him. What, bud? Oh, there's more people up here? Where? Huh? Might be a house. There's a house up that way too, bud. That one broke. Huh? 4 people? Oh, I can hear them now, I think. Oh, that one broke. Yeah, you go to do this if your back and your legs don't hurt when you get there. They certainly will by the time you get up the next morning. Ones that are already out, you gotta go slow. Don't put your light right on them, bud. Remember? They're kind of sensitive to the light when it hits them right directly on them. Oh, that one's slimy. He might get away. Yep, he get away. There's a bunch of them out tonight, that's for sure. Wow, look at them scatter. Come on. There we go. Wow, look at them all. Ah, that one broke. Wow, look at them all. Missed him. I missed that one too. Yep, I'm impressive in your little truck, dude. My lawnmower sounds better than that. Does better burnout too. Might be able to get him. Yep, we got him. God, it's so slimy. We're gonna catch these tonight. Coming up soon, we're gonna go make a video on brook fishing. Some of the places that we trapped beaver out of. We've got a couple pretty good spots that we're gonna go to. We'll go check and see if the beaver have been back. I'm pretty sure that we caught, there's 3 or 4 places I'm pretty sure we caught all the beaver out. Because they were just flooding roads and flooding pipelines and 4-wheel trails and, you know, things of that nature. So we're going to go hit those places and try some brook fishing for some red spot brook trout. And I am really ramped up for this coming trapping season already. I bought some new gear, some different things I want to try. I'm going to be making our own muskrat lure, beaver lure, mink and raccoon bait. I'm going to be making all that. I'm going to show you guys how I make my stuff. I don't typically use a lot of bait and lure, but I'm going to be doing some different things this year with my traps and stuff that I've never done before, and I'm going to have a lot more traps that I'm going to be putting out. Missed him. I got to get my shed cleaned out. I've got traps in there that I've had for years that I've never even used. So I'll be getting those out. I'll be making adjustments on them, getting them ready to go. I'll probably do a video on trap adjustment and making a night notch on a foot trap. For those of you who don't know what that is, I'll show you what it is and show you how I do it. I'm going to be, I don't ever specifically really target any one animal except beaver. I do target them. I'm going to target some muskrat this year. I want to break my record of those, which is 37. And usually when I catch muskrat, it's like catch them in the beaver set somewhere. So I'm going to be targeting muskrat. I want to set a goal on how many I want to get. I'm not going to say what that goal is right now. If anybody wants to help me set a goal, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think I ought to try to get. Boy, crawlers are everywhere out here tonight. Come on, big boy. Got ya. I've got to have well over 100 in here by now. Yeah, look at them. There's a pile of them right here everywhere. Look at them all. Thing is they can sense the vibration and the feeling on the ground. So when you go after one, usually 3 or 4 other ones within the vicinity take off. And then they all start to take off. Oh, that was a good one to get away. Yep, my back's already killing me. A little bit of a breeze picking up now. I'm going to trap a lot of bridges, a lot of culverts, things of that nature. I want to do a lot of roadside, quick and easy roadside sets for mink, muskrat, and raccoon. I want to set some kind of a roadside trap line specifically so that I can take my dad. He really wants to go. He's 74 years old, so he can't walk real far, but he loves to do this too. So I want to set up some kind of a road line that I can do and bring him with me. Yeah, my back's really starting to hurt. Oh, did we get him? Oh, we did get him. Oh, he broke. Hopefully this camera's picking up at least some of this. Oh, there you go. Looks like there's some other people up on the other end of the headed this way. No, missed him. How you doing, bud? You getting some? Yeah? Huh? I can't hear you, bud. Right there, right there, right there. Grab that one right there. Get him. Get him. There you go. Oh. Right over there. There's a long one right out, right there. Here, let me show you one way that might help you. Okay, see when you see one, try to determine, see how his hole's going that way. I'm gonna come up and grab him back here and pull him back this way. No. Oh, wait. Yep, I got him. Try to pull him away from the hole. See, there's a bunch right here, but look at him. See how many I got? My bucket's almost full. My feet are pretty wet. Oh, come on. Oh, I missed him. You get one? Been coming up here to do this at this particular golf course for years, and I don't remember ever seeing anybody up here. I know years ago when we were up here, it was me and a few of my friends who were up here doing this late at night. It was, I don't know, midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning. And the lady that lives across the street, well, it's probably not her anymore, but used to live across the street. She was an old hag, bad. She came out screaming at us, telling us we couldn't have lights out on the golf course, and we had to go, and she ended up calling the cops anyway. And it wasn't 10 minutes after that, the cops showed up, and I'll never forget it. It's pretty funny, really funny actually. I was the closest one to the road and picking up night crawlers like this, and the cop walked up to me and he said, "Well, the neighbor's called." He says, "But," and he turned his light on. He says, "You need some help?" Yeah, it was great. I mean, he hung out here for like 10 minutes with us catching worms, and then he told us we weren't doing nothing wrong. As long as we weren't being loud and obnoxious, there was nothing that we were doing wrong, so it worked out pretty good. You know, we weren't being obnoxious, we weren't being loud, nothing. We were just up catching some worms, and so we could go fishing. That's all. She just didn't like the fact that anybody was out here. Well, you're doing pretty good. You doing what I showed you? Yeah. Alright, there's one right there. Go for it. Oh, there he goes, right by your foot. Oh. Hey, I'll light him for you. My back's hurting. You catch him. March right by your feet. Slow right down. Alright, come over here. Here's some more right here, bud. Right there. Okay, hold on. Yep, you can get that little one. Let's go this way a little bit. See if there's any. Oh yeah, look at him in here. Look at that. Go slow, go slow. Got one right there, right by your foot. See him going that way? Yep, pulling right back. That slimy hard to hang on to, huh? Right by your feet. Right by your feet. You gotta hit a bunch right by your foot. Alright, come up here. Oh, there's one. Right there, buddy. Grab that one right there. Yep, there you go. You got that one. Alright. I think he broke.
Does that mean you died?
Nah, we'll still use them. The fishy will still eat them.
I hate taking them.
I know, I've broken quite a few of mine too.
Because I don't like killing them.
Oh, I didn't get them. Well, it might sometimes, but no, probably not. Why, some of them I had to pull out of the hole. Wow, look at them all. Oh, I missed him. I want one more before I stop the video. Alright, I'm gonna go after that one right there. Got it. Alright, that's gonna do it. I'm gonna stop the video here, guys. See, I got a pretty good amount. I might have got over 300 red garlands in here. Been here 45 minutes maybe. Probably not even that long. 20 minutes maybe. Alright, I'm going to end the video here. We'll be putting some more content out here pretty quick. I'm going to be making videos, making lure, going fishing. Yeah, you're doing pretty good. I got some trap modification to do. We got some other stuff coming up. So, alright, I'm going to end it here. Thanks everybody for watching. Please hit that like button. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. YBB, I'm out.